Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make this crochet dolly. So basically I did simple units and then we attached them together. I was planning on making it a runner, a long one, but I decided that this way looks better. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks. Today's tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how to make these amazing things. I don't know. So you can use these in a variety of ways. So for example, you can use it as a coaster for your mug, you know. You can attach them together and do a tablecloth or a table runner. This is what I'm gonna do today. You can even attach them and do like a shirt. You can do a pillowcase, you know. So you got different ways. So today I tried different sizes, and the size that I found to be the best is the 10 petals one. This one was 11. Let me show it to you. This one was 11 and this was 10. The 10 one starts to kind of like curl, and as you can see here, you know, it's hard to stretch this out. So my recommendation is to do the 10. If you want to do bigger, I can explain the video how to go bigger sizes, but yeah. Okay, so what you're gonna need, you basically choose the color that you want. So today I'm gonna use these three colors. The most important thing that you need to know, or you need to make sure that your yarn all is the same size. So for example, all of this is weight 3 yarn. So if you want to do 4 anything, just make sure that the yarn is all the same. So here I'm using a crochet hook size 3.5. You will need scissors and you will need a needle to clean up the work. And let's go ahead and get started. So we will do the magic ring, okay? And then I will go up 3 chains, and I will not count these 3 chains as the first double crochet, okay? So 1, 2, 3, okay? And now in the magic ring I'm going to do 20 double crochet. This is 1, 2, 3, and last one, 20. So let's close the circle. You just pull the yarn and voila. Okay, now we're going to do a slip stitch in the first double crochet. You need to make sure that you are not doing it in the 3 chains. So for this one, I'm doing the small size, which is the 10 petals. If you want to do 11, you will do 22 double crochet, and if you want to do the 12, you will need to do 24 double crochet. Okay, so you go increase by 2, but my recommendation is to stick with the 20. Okay, so as I said, we're going to the first double crochet here, and I'm doing a slip stitch. Okay, and now I'm going to do 3 chains, and this time these 3 chains will count as our first double crochet. Okay, and now I will do another 3 chains. Okay, and I'm going to skip 1 stitch, and I'm gonna go to the next one and do double crochet. Okay, and now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, we skip 1, and in the next we do double crochet. Okay, we will continue until the end. At the end you should have 10 spaces. Okay, okay, so here now I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, the 3rd stitch that we did in the beginning, insert my hook and do a slip stitch. Okay, so here I have 10 spaces, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. And here I'm gonna cut my yarn, okay, and I'm going to change the color. So I'm using yellow this time. Now I'm going to insert my hook here and chain 1 2 3, and I'm gonna go and tie these. You can change the color as you like, okay? Okay, now I'm gonna hold this with me as I crochet. That way I will have less cleaning, you know. So the first stitch that we did here, we just did it to secure the yarn, so I'm gonna do another one. And this row, the 3 chains is gonna count as the double crochet. So in each space we're gonna do 4 double crochet. This is 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, we're gonna go to the next space right here and we're gonna do 4. 1 2 3 and 4, and continue until the end of this round. All right, I will come to you at the end. Okay, here I'm at the end of this round and I'm going to go to the 3rd chain that we did here, and we're going to do a slip stitch. Okay, now we're gonna go up 3 chains, 1 2 3. This is another double crochet, and we're gonna do 4 double crochet. So this is 1 2 3 and 4. This round we're going to do 8 chains between each group, okay? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And now yarn over, we're gonna do a double crochet right to the next stitch. So this is how it's gonna look. Again, we're gonna do the group 4 double crochet, 1 2 3 and 4. And now we're going to do 8 chains, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, and single double crochet to the next. Okay, so I will continue like this until the end of this round. All right, so here I reached the end and I'm going to do a slip stitch in the 3rd chain. Okay, and now we're going to change the yarn again, the color, for the last round. Okay, so I'll just do a knot this time. Okay, and now here I'm gonna insert my hook. We do slip stitch, take this yarn over, and now I'm going to do 3 chains. So this is 1 2 3, and this one counts as the first double crochet. And here we're going to do 16 double crochet. So 1 2 3, and keep this yarn with you for less cleaning. 1 2 3 4 5 16. So here I did 16. We're going to skip these 2 and come right here in the middle and do a single crochet. Okay, now we're gonna repeat what we did here in all these in all 8 chain space. So 1, 2, 3, so it's gonna be 16 double crochet and then single crochet between each one. 15 and 16, and now we're going to do a single crochet in the middle, and I will repeat this until the end. Here I reached the end. I did a single crochet here, and we're going to do a slip stitch in the chain 3 space, and then we fasten off and we go ahead and we start cleaning, and that's it basically. So and that's it for this.
لا ما ينفعش اكلم دين عشان اطلب منه فلوس يقول عليا ايه وش فقر ورجع.
So what I did basically here before I stitch them together, I will take the water. If you do have water, just splash it a little bit and then iron it. If you have a steamer, do a couples like that, and then all up. You see, you just need to make sure that the yarn that you're used is 100% cotton, or you need to adjust the temperature. So I'm just spreading it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and iron it. And here we go. Now I ironed them all, and I need to organize them by color and then sew them together. Alright, so now regarding the connecting the flowers together, so here I did connect these together, and what I did basically, I take silk and I sew just the sides that need to be sewn. So for example, if you see here, it's very like invisible, like you can't really see where I did the sewing, you know. Here is the same thing, I stitched 2. Here is the same. So I will show you how to sew these parts together, okay? So what I did, I took my needle and then I put the silk. I did not attach or knot the ends, okay? As you can see, I kept them like that. And now what I'm gonna do is I will go ahead and attach these 2. So let's start from the top. I'll just insert it like that. And then I will pull through, and then when I reach the end here, I'll wait and tie. Let's do 2 ties. Okay, and now what I would do, I will come from the side here, insert my hook here and pull through. Okay, so this is one. I can do another just to make sure that I'm securing it. As you can see, I'm going through these. I'm not going over, so that way my yarn won't be, or the silk won't be visible. Okay. And now what I'm gonna do, take this and go all the way here. If you have another way of doing it, feel free to do so if you prefer another way, but this is the way I like to do it. Okay, so these two, now I will attach it here. Okay, so I'll just go to the one next to it, and then so you see that how it looks. So we're not going over it, we'll just insert my hook, or insert the needle in the next stitch and pull through like that. Okay, just do it one more. And now I'll just take a space right here and tie it. So for example, I'll insert my hook here, do a little tie, and then I'm just gonna insert my needle here, and cut this. So now what I'm going to do, this one you can also, I will continue that way and attach everything together, and I will come to show you the final results. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching.